Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of affiliate marketing. If you're looking to earn passive income online, this ultimate guide is for you. So, let's get started. What is affiliate marketing? Explain the concept of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a marketing strategy where you earn a commission for promoting someone else's products or services. Essentially, you become a brand ambassador or influencer recommending products to your audience. Finding the right affiliate network. Discuss popular affiliate networks like Amazon Associates or mention the importance of choosing networks that align with your niche and offer products relevant to your audience. Selecting profitable niches and products. Explain the significance of selecting profitable niches with high demand and low competition. Discuss the importance of conducting market research to identify trending products or evergreen niches. Highlight the benefits of promoting products you have personal experience with or are genuinely interested in. Building an engaged audience. Share strategies for growing and engaging your audience, such as producing content, optimizing SEO, and leveraging social media platforms. Discuss the importance of building trust and credibility with your audience as it plays a vital role in their process. Creating compelling content. Discuss different types of content you can create, such as product reviews, tutorials, comparison videos, or provide tips on creating engaging content that highlights the benefits and features of the products you're promoting. Encourage storytelling and showcasing the value the product brings to your audience's lives. Utilizing effective affiliate links and tracking. Explain how to generate and incorporate affiliate links into your content. Discuss the importance of disclosure and transparency with your audience regarding affiliate partnerships. Mention the significance of using tracking tools to monitor clicks, conversions, and earnings. Promoting affiliate products strategically. Discuss various promotional strategies, including leveraging your website or blog, utilizing email marketing, and collaborating with influencers in your niche. Highlight the importance of targeted marketing and tailoring your promotions to your audience's interests and needs. Analyzing and optimizing performance. Explain the importance of analyzing your affiliate marketing performance to identify what's working and what's not. Discuss key metrics to track, such as rates, conversion rates, and earnings per click. Offer tips on optimizing your campaigns based on the data collected, such as adjusting your promotional strategies or exploring new niches. Summarize the key points covered in the video, emphasizing the potential of affiliate marketing for earning passive income. Encourage viewers to take action and start their affiliate marketing journey. Affiliate marketing is a powerful opportunity to monetize your online presence. Don't hesitate, dive in, and start building your affiliate empire today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable content. Happy affiliate marketing! Remember to personalize and add your own experiences and insights to the script to make it more authentic and relatable to your audience.